Kidneys are the unsung heroes of your body, tirelessly filtering waste, balancing fluids, and keeping your blood clean. But some of the most harmless-seeming daily habits might be damaging these crucial organs without you even realizing it. Could something you're doing every day be stopping your kidneys from healing? Today, we're going to explore 10 common habits that could be putting your kidneys at risk. Stick around. You might be surprised to learn what's slowly hurting your kidneys and what you can do to stop it. Number 10. Overuse of NSAIDs. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to pop a pill when you're in pain? NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen and naproxen, can quickly relieve discomfort, but using them too often, especially over long periods, could be harming your kidneys. These medications reduce blood flow to your kidneys, limiting their ability to function properly. If you're using them frequently for pain management, such as for arthritis or chronic headaches, your kidneys may pay the price. Have you considered that your quest for relief might be slowly damaging your body's natural filters? Instead, explore alternative therapies like physical therapy, acupuncture, or even switching to kidney-safe medications after consulting your doctor. Giving your kidneys a break from NSAIDs could be the first step in preserving their long-term health. Number 9. High-sodium diet. Sodium sneaks into our diets from all angles. Processed foods, restaurant meals, even that healthy canned soup you might grab for lunch. But what does this overload of salt do to your kidneys? Sodium raises your blood pressure, which in turn strains your kidneys as they try to filter extra fluid out of your bloodstream. Have you ever thought about the ripple effect of that seemingly harmless bag of chips or frozen pizza? High sodium can also lead to the development of kidney stones, a painful condition that further hampers kidney function. Reducing sodium intake, swapping out packaged foods for fresh ingredients, and opting for natural seasonings like herbs and spices can be small changes with massive health benefits. Number 8. Dehydration. Are you drinking enough water? This isn't just about quenching your thirst. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Your kidneys need water to flush out toxins and waste products from your body. When you don't drink enough water, your urine becomes concentrated, making it more likely for minerals to form into kidney stones. Chronic dehydration can also lead to reduced kidney function over time. If you're someone who forgets to drink water, ask yourself, how hard are your kidneys working just to keep you balanced? Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses depending on your size and activity level. Remember, water is the easiest way to give your kidneys a break. Number 7. Smoking and vaping. Everyone knows smoking is bad for your lungs, but do you know it's also wreaking havoc on your kidneys? Smoking reduces blood flow throughout your body, including to your kidneys, which means they're not receiving enough oxygen and nutrients to function at their best. This can increase your risk of chronic kidney disease and even kidney cancer. Vaping may seem like a safer option, but the chemicals in e-cigarettes aren't much better. Even nicotine alone can raise blood pressure, further damaging those tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. Have you considered that quitting smoking or vaping could be one of the most powerful steps you take to protect your kidneys and overall health? It's never too late to start healing. Number 6. Excessive alcohol consumption. What starts as a glass of wine with dinner can sometimes turn into a regular habit of multiple drinks a night. But have you ever thought about what all that alcohol is doing to your kidneys? Alcohol is a toxin that your body, particularly your kidneys, must filter out. Excessive alcohol consumption forces your kidneys to work overtime, which increases your risk of developing high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney disease. Alcohol also dehydrates you, further straining your kidneys and making it harder for them to function efficiently. If you're drinking heavily, is that nightly habit worth the long-term damage to your kidneys? Try setting limits on alcohol consumption and balancing it with plenty of water to help your kidneys flush out toxins more effectively. Number 5. Ignoring underlying health conditions. Are you managing your diabetes, high blood pressure, or heart disease? If not, your kidneys could be suffering. Uncontrolled diabetes causes high blood sugar, which damages the small blood vessels in your kidneys. This makes it harder for them to filter waste. Similarly, untreated high blood pressure puts enormous strain on your kidneys' blood vessels, leading to chronic kidney disease. If you're not regularly monitoring these conditions, it's easy for kidney damage to go unnoticed. When was the last time you checked in with your doctor about your treatment plan? Keeping these conditions under control is one of the most critical steps in preventing kidney damage. Number 4. Overconsumption of processed foods. Do you often grab pre-packaged snacks or meals for convenience? While processed foods save time, they're packed with sodium and preservatives that overload your kidneys. Phosphorus, for example, is often added to processed foods and can accelerate kidney damage, especially if you already have reduced kidney function. Even seemingly innocent items like deli meats, canned goods, and frozen dinners can be loaded with these hidden dangers. Have you ever checked the ingredients list on your favorite processed foods? Cutting back on these and switching to whole, fresh foods can make a significant difference in keeping your kidneys healthy. Number 3. Lack of physical activity. Sitting for hours on end might be more dangerous than you think. Physical inactivity contributes to weight gain, high blood pressure, and diabetes, all of which increase your risk of kidney disease. Regular exercise helps improve circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your kidneys so they can function properly. You don't need to be an athlete to benefit from exercise. Just 30 minutes of walking a day can improve your overall health and keep your kidneys in shape. When was the last time you moved around for more than 10 minutes? Even small, consistent efforts to stay active can pay off in protecting your kidneys. Number 2. Overuse of protein supplements. Are you loading up on protein shakes to hit your fitness goals? While protein is essential, too much of it, especially from supplements, can put a strain on your kidneys. High-protein diets increase the amount of waste your kidneys have to filter. For someone with already compromised kidney function, this can accelerate damage. Have you ever thought about whether your protein intake is more than your kidneys can handle? Consult with a nutritionist or healthcare provider to ensure you're consuming the right amount of protein for your body's needs. Number 1. Not monitoring kidney function. When was the last time you checked your kidney health? The scary part about kidney disease is that it often shows no symptoms until it's advanced. By the time you realize something's wrong, your kidneys could already be severely damaged. Regular kidney function tests, especially if you're at risk, are essential for catching problems early. If you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or a family history of kidney disease, getting tested should be part of your routine health checks. Wouldn't you rather know early than face dialysis or a transplant? Monitoring your kidney health is the key to preventing long-term damage. Your kidneys work behind the scenes every day, filtering out waste and toxins, but they can only take so much. Avoiding these 10 harmful habits will go a long way in protecting your kidneys from damage. Take a moment to assess your lifestyle. Are you doing any of these things? Making even small changes today can help your kidneys heal and keep you healthy in the long run. Remember, your health is in your hands. If this video opened your eyes to some unhealthy habits, subscribe for more health tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.